Alright, year 10s, here's a quick video on how to find the surface area. So I have my net here of my triangular prism. So the first thing I'll do is I'll find the surface area of this rectangle right here. I know that my side length from the diagram is, I know that this is 10 centimeters here, and I know that this is 10 centimeters right there. This is also 10 centimeters right here, which means this is 10 centimeters right there. So I know that to find the area of this rectangle right here, that's going to be 10 times 17 centimeters, and that's going to get me to 170 centimeters squared. So there's the first area done. So I know that this area right here is also the same, so this square right here, so I can actually double that and be able to get that area. To find the area of this rectangle in here, this inside rectangle, and you notice as I'm kind of drawing all over this isn't a bad idea. Just to find this one, that's going to be 8 centimeters times 17 centimeters, and I'm going to have to go and grab my calculator for a couple of these because it is going to start to get beyond my ability to do it in my head. So let me just grab that out of my bag. So this area of that is 136 centimeters. Ugh, sorry, my bottom of my screen is not functioning very well. That equals 136 centimeters squared. The next thing I need to do is I'm going to need to find the area of our two triangles. So there's this triangle here and there's this triangle here. I know the area of a triangle is found by taking the base and multiplying it by the height and then multiplying by 2, or by half, sorry. So that's 8 times 6 times 1/2. Sorry, my pen is really not working. That's supposed to be a 2. Wow, that's a real mess. So 8 times 6 times 1/2, or divided by 2. So 8 times 6 equals, divided by 2 equals, so that is 24. Wow, my pen just really does not want to work. Centimeters squared. I'm sorry, let me just take 1 second and recalibrate my pen because it's just not working at the moment. Okay, looks like it's working. Sorry about that. That means that this is also 24 centimeters squared. So now I've got to take that amount, and I've got to take 136 for the bottom amount, and I've got to take the two 24s, so this amount, and add them all together to find the overall surface area of the entire shape. So I'm going to take the 24 centimeters of the top triangle plus the 24 centimeters of the bottom triangle plus the two rectangles with a surface area of 170 centimeters plus the bottom of my shape, which has a surface area of 136 centimeters, to get an overall surface area, grand final answer. So for the entire shape, when I add all of these together, because I basically go through and I add and add and add all these together, my final answer I get is 524 centimeters squared. That is so messy, I'm sorry. That's 524 centimeters squared. I'll just use my hand to write that. So that's my surface area. So there you go. That's how to find the surface area using a net. I'll take 1 second. I'll just draw one on that side, that length. I'm done.